This is a video from DigiD. This video explains how to add the ID check to your DigiD app. You can log in easily and securely with your DigiD app. By adding a one-time check of your passport, driving license or identity card to the app, you can view or change extra privacy-sensitive data. You will need the following: a DigiD account, a smartphone or tablet with the DigiD app on it, and a Dutch identity document. Make sure you have your identity document ready. Open the app and enter your PIN code. Have you set up the biometrics on your phone? Then you can now choose whether you want to log in using facial recognition or fingerprint instead of a PIN from now on. If you don't use biometrics or have answered this question before, then you will automatically skip this step. Go to the menu. This can be found in the top left corner. Choose ID Check. Tap Start ID Check. Choose which Dutch identity document you want to use for the ID check. Tap Start Scanning. Hold your ID against the back of your phone. Unable to scan it? Try to slide your ID slowly across the back of your phone until it connects. Once the progress bar is full, the ID check succeeded. Tap Continue. You will now see a green check mark in the menu next to ID check. Now, you've added the ID check and are able to do more with the app. Want to know more? Then go to digid.nl/en. DigiD is a product of the Government of the Netherlands.